Hi, this is Alex Christensen with the Mozinda training team. Today we're going to talk about the difference between scroll element and scrolling page list. We're going to talk about what each action is and how to use each one. So first we want to show this website. This website is just a typical e-commerce site that as you scroll you can tell that it dynamically loads more products. So here we can see we have this list, and the first thing I want to show is the scrolling page list. So once we highlight over this end list action, we can come up to the add action dropdown, choose page list, and there's this little box you can check. It's called the page lister will use a scroll bar, and this is just asking if it's the main scroll bar on the page. We'll say yes. And you can see it adds this page list scrolling. And so what's going to happen here is every time this list is executed, it will capture all the items that it sees, it will hit the end, and then it will hit this page list scrolling, which is going to scroll down the page until new ones are loaded, and then it will re-scrape the new ones that are loaded. And so we can test it and we can see how it will work. So you can see over on this right hand side, scroll down, load a new items, scraped, scroll down, load new items, scrape those items. And so we're getting quite a few results down here. And so that is how the page list scrolling action works. And it's going to scroll until there's no more to load. And the other one we can use is a scroll element. And so this scroll element is going to go at the top of your list rather than at the bottom. We're going to go to add action, scroll item, and same thing, it's going to ask you if it's the main scroll bar. Say yes. And so here it's going to be at the front because it's going to scroll all the way to the bottom until there's no more items to load. And then after it's all loaded, then it will scrape all of the items at once. And so we can see over here on the right hand side, it's scrolling down the page and just loaded more. It's going to keep going until there's no more products to load. And once this action's finished, it will go to the begin item list and it will scrape everything that was loaded. And so that's all we have for this training, and we'll see you next time.